Next we are going to see advantages of computers. What is the advantage of using these computers? There are 7 advantages of using these computers. Advantages of computer: high speed, accuracy, storage, automation, diligence, versatility, cost effectiveness. These are the 7 advantages of using computers. We will see one by one. High speed. Computers have the ability to perform routine tasks at a greater speed than human beings. They can perform millions of calculations in seconds. High speed. This high speed point tells us that computers can perform routine tasks. It means the same task again and again without getting tired at a higher speed than human beings. Of course, humans' energy will be reduced at a point at a time. But these computers, they don't lose their energies. They perform the routine task at high speed than human beings, and we can get whatever data we need from the computer at lightning speed, and they can also perform millions of actions within seconds. So that is the speciality of this computers. That is the first point, high speed. They can perform millions of actions within seconds, which humans cannot do. We cannot perform calculations, millions of calculations within seconds, but these computers can do those activities that was mentioned in this. High speed. Computers have the ability to perform routine tasks at a greater speed than human beings. They can perform millions of calculations in seconds. Accuracy. What is meant by accuracy? Computers are used to perform tasks in a way that ensures accuracy, meaning perfection. Computers perform the particular task in a way that ensures accuracy, meaning it should be accurately correct. Whatever the task it performs, whatever the calculation, whatever the activity it does that with perfect. It does what the user gave the instruction. So that is the second advantage of this computer, accuracy. Accuracy means computers are used to perform tasks in a way that ensures accuracy. High speed. Computers have the ability to perform routine tasks at greater speed than human beings. They can perform millions of calculations in seconds. Accuracy. Computers are used to perform tasks in a way that ensures accuracy. Third advantage is storage. Computers can store large amount of information. Any item of data or any instructions stored in the memory can be retrieved by the computers at lightning speeds. Third advantage of the computer is storage. Yes, storage. Computer is used to store large amount of data and informations, collections, everything. Humans cannot store large amount of informations by using the old method called the paper. In paper format, we used to store the data and everything, but beyond that, this is a better way to store the informations and data. So for this way, this computer, it's a very good advantage. And the second point in this advantage of storage is we can get, that means we can retrieve those data and informations at lightning speeds. And that is also very true. We can get whatever the data or information I stored inside that computer, I can get that in a lightning speed. If I open the particular document, if I go and open it, I can get the Word document whenever I need. So this was a main advantage of this computer, storage. So we have seen 3 advantages of computers: high speed, accuracy, and storage. Now we will see automation. Computers can be instructed to perform complex tasks automatically. Automation meaning I can instruct the computer to perform the difficult task automatically. The user gives the instruction. The instruction that is given by the user to the computer means it automatically performs that task. So that is what the fourth advantage, automation. Computers can be instructed to perform complex tasks automatically. Fifth is diligence. What is meant by diligence? Computers can perform the same task repeatedly and with the same accuracy without getting tired. To understand this fifth advantage of computer, diligence, we can take the example robots. Robots, they perform the task at greater speed than humans. Only when they stop is when the battery is low. But when they can do the same task repeatedly without getting hesitated or without getting tired. They can do the same task repeatedly and also even correctly. That's what they mentioned, even accurately, comparing to humans. Humans, if we do the same task even again and again, we may do some mistakes. But computers, they don't leave any mistakes. Only when they leave, if they do any mistakes, means it's because of the user's fault. The user might not given the instruction correctly. So this is what the fifth advantage, diligence. So this word diligence, it means computers can perform that same task repeatedly and also accurately without getting tired, comparing to humans. Last two advantages, versatility and cost effectiveness. Versatility means computers are flexible to perform both simple and complex tasks. They never say no to complex tasks. They just do only simple tasks. No, it's not like that. Versatility means it's adjusting, it's bending, it's cooperating with both the simple and also complex tasks. They are flexible. They perform both simple and complex tasks. They never hesitated. So that is what the sixth advantage. Seventh is cost effectiveness, meaning computers reduce the amount of paperwork and human effort, thereby reducing the cost. So this last point, cost effectiveness, is similar to the third point, storage. It reduces your paper's cost, and human's effort, human energy will also be stored, will also be reduced with the help of these computers. Paper will not be wasted. So this what the cost effectiveness, money also will not be more used because of the storage capacity of these computers. So the 7 advantages of computers are high speed, accuracy, storage, automation, diligence, versatility, cost effectiveness. High speed means computers have the ability to perform routine tasks at a greater speed than human beings. They can perform millions of calculations in seconds. Accuracy, computers are used to perform tasks in a way that ensures accuracy, that is perfectly. Storage, computers can store large amount of information. Any item of data or any instruction stored in the memory can be retrieved by the computer at lightning speeds. Automation, computers can be instructed to perform complex tasks automatically. Diligence, computers can perform the same task repeatedly and with same accuracy without getting tired. Versatility, computers are flexible to perform both simple and complex tasks. Cost effectiveness, computers reduce the amount of paperwork and human effort, thereby reducing cost. Now we will see the limitations of computers, also called the disadvantages of computers. Actually, computers are very beneficial to humans' life, but there are also some faults, some disadvantage by using these computers. We can see that now. Limitations of computer. First point, computers need clear and complete instruction to perform a task. If the instructions are not clear and complete, the computer will not produce the required result. Of course, Computers need the clear and complete instruction to perform a task. Then only it can produce the desired result what the user expects. Otherwise, if the user don't give the clear and correct instruction, if it was full of errors, that's not computer's fault. So this is an disadvantage of computer. It can't correct the mistake what the user do. It just follows whatever the instruction, it may be right or wrong, it just follows that and it gives the undesired result what the users do. So the user must be conscious while giving the instruction or task or information to the computer. So that is the disadvantage of computer. It cannot correct the mistake. Computers need clear and complete instruction to perform a task. If the instructions are not clear and complete, the computer will not produce the required result. Another two disadvantage or limitation of these computers is they cannot think like humans. They cannot think, no, this user gives the wrong instruction, we have to correct it and do. They cannot think, and they cannot learn by experience. If they do a correct answer, correct operation or right or wrong answer, they don't think that we should not repeat this mistake again, because they are just electronic devices. They don't think like humans. So these were the disadvantages. They cannot learn by experience, they cannot think, and the user must give the clear and complete instruction to perform a task, so that the user can get the desired output what they want. Otherwise they don't get the desired output.